Well, we have made it. I am here at Tin City Lodge number 112 here in Hill City, South Dakota. And this is way up on the hill here. And they got this big logo here. I'm doing this because I want you to see this. This is really nice. This is not a painting. This is a three-dimensional logo out here. I really like it. It looks really cool. I wish more lodges would have a big logo like this because it faces the main road here so people can see as they drive by. But I really like that logo there that they have. But come on in. We're going to go on inside this lodge and take a look around. Maybe you'll see something make you, when you're in this area, maybe you'll want to go visit this lodge, or maybe you'll see something in this lodge that maybe you could think, hey, we should do that at our lodge. Well, come on and join us, because you're now entering the coolest life, Masonic edition. So here we are in the main room here. Not a huge room. Ceiling's a little low compared to most lodges. I don't see any direct lighting and stuff. They do have the past masters here on the wall. I recognized a couple of those guys. They were in a meeting today. But I'm going to start like I usually start. Not there, but over here where the senior warden sits. I like these columns here. They look familiar. It seems like I saw these at another lodge. I remember the starburst around the plumb there. I like the level there. Gold. These are all wood, is what they are. There's their, I don't know, 14, 16 inches tall. Nice. Not real heavy. Got the logo on there. Any logo on the furniture? No. I do like their, they put their 112, their number here on their aprons. That's a nice touch. And take a look at this gavel. Pretty standard. I like it though. Make your mark in history. Rich history and bright future awaiting opportunity. Roosevelt, John Hancock. Nice. Ludwig von Beethoven. Some seating. Interesting, a few working tools. Plumb, a level. On a carpet. 605. I wonder where 605 is. That might be another lodge. South Dakota Masons. Just says 605. This is normally where your treasurer would sit. I like that little safe back here. That's kind of cool. I always like to look for a ballot box, which I see right here on top. Pop that open. It props open all by itself. It's got a little hinge here. And some black cubes. It's some, put them through the hole and get them out on there. Ooh, that's some unusual cushion there. I'm not used to seeing it. It's almost like an egg crate. You can see the receptacle there. I like ballot boxes. They're so neat because you don't have those everywhere. You can't find ballot boxes in most organizations. Organizations like Masonry, you'll find ballot boxes in. I like the big trowel up here. Nice. It's a good sized trowel. They're bigger than my hand. Looks like they have a gavel here. That's big enough to be a traveling gavel there. I think it's girthy. I like it. I like it. Sometimes you see some stuff that they got working tools laid up here. They would use those for presentations. They got some corn. Here, corn. I like that. And also you've got some scrolls here. More than likely those are for, they might have some Masonic symbolisms on them. I'm not going to open those up, and then they'll explain those through some of the degree work. Like that. This looks like this is one of those that they would set on top of a Bible. Maybe not. It's Sometimes they set them up top of a Bible so they're square and compasses and it lays flat. And you see there's a place here for the American flag, which, South Dakota, they actually post colors when they open up their meeting. So the American flag would not start in the east, but it would end up in the east. They've got an overhead projector screen that they pull down for presentations. Here's where the master would sit. I wish that was pointed up, but that's okay. Like that. See enough of my videos, I harp on that kind of stuff. Gosh, if it doesn't have compasses on it, then it should be pointed up. But anyway, looks like they wear this. The master may actually wear this during the meeting, is my guess, since it's up here. Yeah, like that, and there's pointed up. And here you get your Tyler sword, because this is where the Tyler sword starts in a meeting in South Dakota lodges. And I just saw this brother here in the other room. He's a past Grand Master. He's a member of this lodge. Harold Ireland. So they got his picture. That's pretty common when if you're a past Grand Master of a lodge, they'll get you a picture and put you up on the wall. I like that. Nice piece of wood. Big gong dinger. That thing there, they'll ding, hit that one. Boy, those things are loud. Well, that's actually almost like a piece of, I thought it was a piece of, it is paper. How about that? And you get your square within a circle here. That's probably the most common George Washington picture I see. These lithographs are all over the country. Let me tell you, lots of lodges have those. I think my home lodge has got one, just like that. And he's got this is a seal, so when they do documents and stuff, they can put a piece of paper in there and do their seal. Normally those seals are lodge specific. He's got we don't see a lot of these. This is his marshal staff for the marshal that would sit here. We've got our smooth ashlar and our rough ashlar down there at that end. And we're going to go really nice and slow here so I don't make anybody dizzy. You see this is sitting on the floor. A lot of jurisdictions, they'll actually stand this one here up on the pedestal when they're not at labor or not in the middle of a meeting. You can see his gavel there. I didn't really look at the master's gavel, but it wasn't really ornate. It was much like that one there. It's got the plum there. And last but not least, we're going to look at the mosaic floor here going around the master station. I don't know what they were doing here. We don't typically see that there's a pad on that side. Normally that pad is going to be over here. Because in South Dakota, there are no one kneels on that side of the altar. Okay, so we've seen books like these before. Building of Solomon's Temple. This is a relatively new book. I mean, these pages are new. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if it cracked if I opened it all the way. There's Genesis, that's 41. Biblical Index of Freemasonry. Masonic Bible. Nice. I like it. And of course you got your lesser lights here to the side. Seen a lot of these bulbs before. I've always liked these bulbs. They light up and give you a nice little red glow. Pretty cool. So if you're ever up in Hill City, come by 10 City Lodge, number 112, here in Hill City, South Dakota. We're actually not far from Mount Rushmore. So if you're ever up here visiting and you see when they're going to have a meeting, they actually meet here on a Wednesday. This is the second Wednesday actually is when they meet. So come on up, I'm sure they welcome you like they did me. And if you're here at 6 o'clock, they just might feed you. That could happen. But come on in and visit with them and socialize with them. And hopefully maybe you saw something about this lodge. Maybe you can help improve your own lodge. Or maybe even make you want to come visit. I'm going to let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe because I'm out here living the coolest life. Masonic edition.